Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to resolve problems with connecting your ELGATO Key Light through Wi-Fi to your computer. So if it's not being found in the add accessory, then I'm gonna cancel it. By the way, if you don't have the control center yet, you can simply download ELGATO Control Center and it will be displayed in the system tray, either here or in the tray hidden somewhere. And yeah, I actually have it connected already, but if it doesn't display, then try resetting the Wi-Fi. To do it, you'll need a needle, pin, or anything else that'll fit into this reset hole on your light, and you need on the back of your light, and you need to press and hold it for 10 seconds until the light flashes 3 times. And once it flashes, wait for additional several seconds until the light turns on. And then you should be able to simply go to the ELGATO stuff, then click on plus, find that accessory. You may need to wait up to a minute until it gets found, and if it still doesn't help, then first of all make sure that your computer has Wi-Fi and supports Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz. This is like the most common one, so most probably it does, but in some rare cases there's a chance it may not. And also, if you start connecting it and it fails, then it may be due to your to the fact that you might have been trying to connect to 5 GHz network. And although I think it is supported, I can't be entirely sure. So it's best to simply connect it to 2.4 GHz network. And I hope this video was helpful. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.